Alright class, so this activity is all about the solar system. So let us discuss together. Okay, number 1 consists of many lumps of rocks and metals that float in space. So what is that? Okay, terdiri daripada banyak ketulan-ketulan batu dan besi yang terapung di angkasa. Okay, what is that? So that is the meteoroid. Okay, let's teacher tulis kat sini dulu. Meteoroid. So why the answer is meteoroid? What is meteoroid? Okay, so meteoroid ni adalah terhasil daripada perlanggaran asteroid. Asteroid dia besar, batu-batu yang besar dia berlanggar. Okay, the collision of the asteroid dia akan pecah. Bila dia akan pecah, dia akan terhasil batuan-batuan yang kecil. So that is called the meteoroid. Okay, serpihan batu-batu yang kecil yang terapung di kawasan ruang angkasa. Ya. Alright, so number 2. Alright, is the nearest planet to the sun in the solar system. So what is the nearest planet in the solar system? So look at here. Okay, so what is that? What is the answer? Mercury. Alright, so the answer is Mercury. So write down here. Make sure you write down in capital letter. Okay, Mercury. Okay. Oh, sorry. Teacher tersilap tulis. Okay, kat sini bawah. Alright, Mercury. Alright. Okay, next. Number 3. What is the coldest planet in the solar system? Okay. Kalau yang paling dekat, the nearest planet in the solar system to the sun will be the hottest planet. Okay, so Mercury is the hottest planet because Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. Yang paling hampir dengan matahari, dia akan jadi paling panas sebab matahari sangat panas. And the furthest planet to the sun in the solar system will be the coldest planet in the solar system. Planet yang paling jauh daripada matahari ialah planet apa? Neptune. So what is the answer? Neptune. Alright, so write down here Neptune. Okay, next. Number 4. The planet is the only planet that has air and water. So what is the planet? That is the Earth, our planet. Yeah? Sebab itulah terdapatnya hidupan. Because of that, there are living things in the planet Earth. Yeah? Sebab itulah ada hidupan di planet Bumi. Sebab apa? Sebab kita mengandungi udara yang mengandungi oksigen. Jadi hidupan boleh hidup. Ya, kerana hidupan memerlukan oksigen. Alright, number 5. The planet is the second planet nearest to the sun. So what is the planet that nearest to the sun? Venus. Alright, so write down here Venus. Alright, next, number 6. The planet is also known as red planet. Planet yang dikenali sebagai planet berwarna merah. Okay, here Mars. Okey, kenapa planet Mars juga dikenali sebagai the red planet? Kerana planet Mars ni sebenarnya dia mengandungi iron oxide. Dia mengandungi besi oksida. Besi oksida ni dia akan terhasil seperti warna karat. Sebab itulah sebenarnya Mars ni dia berwarna merah sebab dia rupa macam benda yang berkarat, batu-batu yang macam rupa batu metal ataupun besi yang berkarat. Itu dia sebabnya kita nampak dia berwarna merah. Yeah? So that is Mars. Yeah? Alright, number 7. White ring is found surround the planet. Okay, planet mana yang ada ring? Okay, Saturn. Alright, write down the name of the planet Saturn. And then the last one, the biggest planet in the solar system is, which one? Which is the biggest planet? Here, the Jupiter. Planet Mushtari. Alright. If you want to know more about solar system, about the planets, ya, awak jangan lupa rajin-rajinkan untuk you can search, ya, dekat Google, boleh tengok dekat YouTube, ya. There are lots of videos and there are lots of information that you can gather through the website. Ada macam-macam jenis website yang terdapat di internet yang tentang planet-planet, ada video-video, ya. Ada macam-macam, ya. Buku teks kadang-kadang dia tak sepenuhnya banyak kan. Jadi boleh tengok dekat internet semua, ya. Alright, I think that's all for today. Thank you.